Hey guys, it is your trusted teacher, DanCBearded. And wait, before you ask, before you type in those questions on the comments, is the teacher having a bad beard day? Is this the first time I've seen DanCBearded not looking so great bearded? No, I am actually only halfway through my process of getting my beard ready for the day, or the styling of my beard. And I wanted to show you guys what I think is a better way to use Beard Balm than what 99% of you out there are doing. So if you want to see how I get this looking my normal great way, please stay tuned for a little bit of information on some Beard Balm application. So first off, what kind of beard balm am I using today? Today I will be focusing on using the 7 Potions beard balm over with our friends over in the UK. And the reason why I'm using this is they are focused on all natural, organic, really amazing ingredients. Even their washes have nothing synthetic in there. You can pronounce every ingredient that they have, and I love that. Their balm is about a medium, pretty much straight up medium hold, and I really like that. I can get my same exact style with a light hold, a medium hold, or the strong hold. It doesn't really matter to me. Different occasions call for different ones, right? If it's a windy day, I might want a strong one. If it's a lazy day, I might want a light one. So it really just depends on the day. But the method that I use for the balm doesn't matter in beard, whether it looks different or not. But I really have been feeling this 7 Potions. It's really been taking over my DMs. I've been talking to a lot of guys about. It just feels good in beard. The scent is light, and it just is doing amazing things for the health. So that's what I'm going with today, you guys, is that 7 Potions. The only scent I have right now is the Woodland Harmony, and it's like a woodsy with a little refreshing citrus. Really, really nice, and you'll be able to see what it does to my beard. Now, what I believe most of you do with your beard balm is you apply it like you do your beard oil. And I've gotten out of the shower, I've combed through to get the blood circulating and get my beard ready. I've dried off, and then I comb through again, and I've added oil to my skin. I like to add oil by applying it to my hands, rubbing in my fingertips, getting underneath and getting into that skin portion. I don't like the dropper in the beard method because I think that is impossible to evenly distribute the oil throughout your beard. But that's just me. I go with the hand technique. Even with this thick bushel of a beard, I think it works really well. And then I let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. I blow dry. You guys can check out my morning routine video. I get my deodorant, my face, all that stuff done. And then I come back and I get ready for the balm. Now for the balm, I get about, let me show you guys here. I get about a finger dollop, right? I don't know exactly how much that is, but if this was science, it would be precisely a dollop of a index finger amount. I just get that in my finger there. This balm is nice and soft. You can just get it out with a finger. You don't need any pick or anything in there. I get that, I work it into my palm, and from there, I normally take my wedding ring off, but I didn't think it'd be a good idea to have the video without my wedding ring on. And I evenly spread it out on my hand and palm. That is important. My whole hand from the top of my finger down to the bottom of my palm is going to be my paintbrush. And like I said, a lot of you guys I know go in and you work the balm throughout. I have a little mirror here that I'm going to be looking at, but I don't actually do that with my beard. I actually apply it to the outside only. I let my night butters, the co-wash, and everything else I do condition my beard, and I use balm almost strictly for my style. And the reason why I'm doing this is I get so many messages that say, how do you make your beard look like that? How can I do that? And I think this step is the most important one. So if I'm not looking straight at you, I got a little mirror here to make sure I'm doing it right. So everything's in my hand, it's emulsified if you guys can see that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply it to the shape that I want on my beard. I normally go in with a boar's hair bristle brush first, but I don't even need to for this video. I can show you guys just what styling it does. I really like to focus on my corners right here and get that in line because that's my biggest problem area for my shape and style. But I go over the top, I'll get my mustache in there a little bit. I do not use mustache wax right now. I'm starting to dabble and experiment, but on a normal day-to-day basis, there's no mustache wax. All right, so I get it in there nice and straight, nice and smooth. And it gives me the style that I want. Again, I will condition. I know the conditioning properties of a balm. I'm fully educated in that. But I will use the nighttime butters. I will use the co-wash, the water, the vitamins, everything else for that. And I do have oil underneath there. So this is what I'm looking for with my beard, is to get it in shape. And what this balm does is it locks it in place for the day. And I've never reapplied. In my whole bearding existence, maybe once or twice just for a video purpose. But other than that, I've never had to reapply balm ever. It stays all day when it kind of locks it in here. All those flyaways, all those little, I call them like veins that run through the beard, it all gets smoothed out with this style of balm application. And really push down on the sides here. I like to get my thumbs underneath and kind of push forward a little bit. That helps with the underbeard. And bam. It won't be perfect right now because I'm not in my normal bathroom situation, but I'll dial it in after that. But I think you guys will get an idea and be able to see. This is how I apply my beard balm. I do not go underneath. I do not go throughout my beard. I only put a styling layer on the outside. Now, people may pick that apart, talk about all the other things. Hey, I've been asked many times, how do I get it to look like this? This is what I do. If you guys want to give it a try, let me know in the comments what you think down there. Hey, maybe it's a game changer. Maybe we can name it something after the trusted teacher. I don't know. Maybe you guys do this already. Let me know in a comment. This is just simply what I do after questions. And the 7 Potions Balm, on point. Works perfectly. Absolutely love this stuff. Cannot wait to get more scents in there. All right, guys, if you got any questions, let me know in a comment. Get a hold of me on Instagram. For me, this is a better way to apply beard balm. For you, maybe it doesn't work, and hey, that's awesome. All of our beards are different. That's what makes this so fun. So I hope you guys learned a little bit. You enjoyed this lesson today. I am DanCBearded, the trusted teacher. You guys have an awesome, styled, bearded day.